You've got mail.
Yes!
Yes! I'm gonna open this box so hard. Well, hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Everyday EDC. Yes, we're doing a lot of these from the truck. I'm mostly doing my unboxings from the truck. You guys know my situation. I really don't have time to sit down in my studio, set everything up and go. I'm on my way to work, last day of work, so I'm able to kind of like take time and not get there on time. But I'm able to get these unboxings done. I'm not going to try to do a review in the truck. That doesn't make any sense. But I will do these unboxings, kind of give you guys a show, and then, yeah. So we got a bunch of stuff that we've recorded that I haven't released, because I'm trying to just give you guys like a video a week, maybe 2 videos a week, just to get by, right? Just to scratch the itch, just to kind of remind you guys that I'm still here. But other than that, like, I'm not going to be releasing stuff until I release stuff. So that package was from Optics Planet. Now, what they sent me was, they didn't send me, I bought these, but this is the medium stone, ceramic stone, and fine ceramic stone from Spydercos. Let's unbox these and take a look. I think, now don't quote me on this, but I think that little pocket stone that they sell that's double-sided, it's got medium and fine on it, I think is the same material. So I kind of bought a large and small stone, or a large, this is like your medium stone. This is the same material as that small pocket stone, right? And this is the medium side. And I think the other side is fine, which is the other stone that I bought. Why are you asking if I bought these? Well, I've been doing a lot of sharpening lately. Mainly to try and get better, but over time, you know, we're gonna get better at sharpening, and I'm getting there, and I'm enjoying it. But I used that little stone, and a guy's, put that into perspective. Here's your hinder. I used that little stone at work, which is like a 1 inch by 3 inch or something, or it's small, right? I used it on a guy's, and they come in this nice little plastic case with some instructions and stuff. You guys already kind of know. So these are ceramic stones, fine grit, and a ceramic stone, medium grit. It says it backwards because that's the way my shit works. So what I'm getting at here is I used that small stone with the guy's knife at work, and guys, like, I got the knife, and maybe the knife was done really well, right? I think it was a Kershaw. I don't remember what it was, but it might even have been a Gerber. It was just some little, you know, not little, but it was like a $20, $30 knife. And I take this tiny little stone, it's like no bigger than this, and I use both sides of it, and it was the weirdest thing. I got it to deburr and like get hair popping sharp stupidly, right? And then I've been watching a lot of Neves Knives because the dude knows what the hell he's doing when it comes to sharpening, right? So you kind of want to follow the guys that know what they're doing and learn from them. So I've been watching literally his whole sharpening playlist like nonstop. So if you haven't seen it, you're interested in sharpening, go watch. If you're not interested in sharpening, you probably aren't going to enjoy it. Point being is that you need something really hard to kind of hone your blade on, right? But these work perfectly for it. I just really like those stones. And I didn't have ceramic stones yet. I had wet stones. I think I have every kind of stone damn near now. I have wet stones. I have oil stones, like Arkansas stones. I have diamond stones now, and now I have ceramic stones. So I think I'm kind of done with the search. I think I got everything I need. I had everything I need with the wet stones when I first got them, but we continue to get stuff because that's what we want. My name is Tyler. I'm going to film one more video. The other video I don't feel like filming in the truck. It's like I know what it is. It's a 4-knife unboxing, and I don't feel like doing that. So the other one, though, I will film. My name is Tyler. This has been Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp. Stay safe. Have a great freaking rest of your day, guys. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.